Hi YouTube, here we go, and all you guys out there that are subscribing to me, I'm really appreciative of it. It's good to see that there's so many people interested in electronics and different types of things, just to keep people active and thinking. You know, I live in the country kind of thing, but you know, people might live in the cities. If you want to leave a comment about where you live, it'd be great down the bottom of this video, and yeah, I'll give you a shout out. Anyway, what I've done is I've hooked all these up separately. Just watch out that you don't hook up to the wrong line. And every three, I have a separate 5-volt line on them. So three there, three there, three there, and then there's two left, but there'll be more coming. And what I'm thinking of doing with the 12-volt lines, I'm going to put a regulator on them and charge them as well. So now I can charge 14 batteries all up, and that's pretty good. And I've got this groovy LED. Remember the old groovy LED body power supplies? I had one hanging around to replace the one that burnt out, and the one that burnt out is over here. And if you look down here, you can see the burn marks of a couple of resistors down here, and that's the telltale sign that this thing's died. I could probably repair it, but why when they're so cheap? I will be pulling this fan out. I've got a good idea for that, because the Zone Star seems to be overheating, and well, it is 35 degrees here, so 34, 35, and the wonderful thing about it is you can check your bed temperature, and you know what temperature it is in your hometown. So who needs a body thermometer? Anyway, that's pretty much it from me. I'm about to go and test a spooner with the new aerial I've put on. Looks pretty sweet, and we'll see if that works as well. And so that might be a two in a day, two things working. Like yesterday I had 2 fails. Today I might have 2 wins. So always look on the positive side, guys. You're always going to lose on these things, and you're always going to get a little bit more out of it as well. You're going to get more enjoyment out of your hobbies. So yeah, all right. And if you look really close, you can see those LEDs in the corners just pushing onto the fan. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's it from me. Talk to you soon. Please give me a thumb up for it. I know it's just another video on my power supply for my 18650s, but you know, there's lots of different bits and pieces around out there, and we need to put it all together and make some decent power supplies. Okay, see ya. Bye.